Hello, the students of Vidya Marga, the commerce people. So let's begin with the introduction of accountancy. Accountancy is a process of identifying, recording, classifying, and summarizing. So in detail, we'll learn here. So as you can see here, there are two different buildings. We consider those as a business. Okay, the transaction between two business. So in the further class, we'll let you know about what is transaction. So after that, what we are going to record the transaction, then we going to analyze it. So this is nothing but accounting. Transaction is nothing but an event or happening that changes the organization financial position. So for example, now assume that you are having 10 rupees. You take 5 rupees chips or a chocolate. Then the 5 rupees is left with you. Here the transaction takes place, giving and exchanging. So for example, I bought a book for 100. So you gave 100 rupees and take back the book. Okay, here the transaction take place. The transaction might be with money to money or products to money or goods to goods. Okay, next basic terms of accounting. So first one is business. Business is an activity carried out to earn a profit. For example, any legal action that is done in order to earn income or a profit. Business include production of goods and services, purchase, sales of goods, services. For example, and stationery shop selling his notebooks. So here the man is selling a notebook. This is called business transaction. So I have already covered the meaning of transaction. So let quick recall it. An event involving exchange of value that can be measured in the money is called transaction. So the next topic is capital. Capital is amount invested by the owner in the business. For example, owner started a business with 1 lakh rupees. Here 1 lakh is nothing but capital. Next is drawing. So in the amount invested by the owner is capital. From that capital we took some money for the personal use is known as drawing. For example, withdrawn money 5000 rupees for household expenses. In capital he invested 1 lakh rupees. So now he took 5000 for personal use, not for the business purpose. Asset is nothing but property or a resources owned by the business. Okay, let's understand in simple word. If something belongs to the business can be measured in a money, it will help the business in future. For example, cash, building, furniture, machinery, stock. Why only furniture or machinery? We'll take an example. Table, chair, cupboard. Example, a tuition center. It is a business, okay? Buys benches and chairs. Right, it is an asset to the business. Is liabilities. Liabilities is nothing but amounts payable by the business to the outsiders is called liabilities. For example, bank loan, creditors, outstanding expenses. For example, in details, he took bank loan 50,000. So we are going to pay the 50,000 in future. Next one is accounting equation. It's nothing but capital equals to asset minus liabilities. This is called accounting equations. For example, asset is 2 lakhs and liability is 50. We have to calculate capital. So capital equals to asset minus liability. So capital equals to 2 lakh minus 50,000. Capital equals to 1 lakh 50. Goods is nothing but item purchased for resale. For example, a mobile shop purchase mobile phones for selling. So he has a business of mobile shop. He purchased it. Next, goods is nothing but goods are physical items or commodity that are produced, brought or sold for human wants. Next one is purchase. Purchase is nothing but goods bought for the sale or resale. For example, purchased goods with rupees 20,000. So we are having a business where we purchase 20 computer or we bought 20 computers. That is called purchase. Last one is sales. Sales is nothing but what you purchase you are going to sell for the business. For example, definition see here, goods sold by the business. Goods sold worth 30 rupees. So you in last you have purchased computers, right? You have already purchased the 20 set of computer and now you are going to resell it. It is called sales. Okay, students, here complete the 10 basic accounting terms. In further classes, we'll know more about the accounting and all. Thank you. Bye bye.